You're watching Unboxing Things with myself, Jessie Janae, your skilled guide in this world of unboxing, but packaging-oriented conversation. And look at this, I've got mail. Let's see what's in my mailbox today. Woo! It is drops. Drops is a really neat company. They're selling biodegradable pods for both laundry and dish detergent in these really compact packages. And as they say, save time, save water, save money, save plastic. That's a lot of savings, and they're bringing all of that to my doorstep. What do I notice right away? Well, generally speaking, I love how tight and compact this package is. It is filled up with pods, I'm guessing, and this is a lot of loads of laundry or a lot of loads of dishes in this small box. How did they choose these dimensions? Well, I'm guessing that the fact that one panel is exactly the size of 4x6 label had something to do with it. And in fact, that's the size of these other panels. They have a chance to have one big logo panel. The other one is taken up with an illustration. That's also on the other side. And then they use the sides here to say save time, save water, save plastic, save money with little graphics. I really like that. It's like them telling me what matters to them right when I receive the package. But something else curious is happening here. There's a split on this side and a split on this side. And that's because this box opens in an interesting way. So I think that we should open it, but not yet. First, we're going to determine what type of corrugate this is made out of. I'm going to grab my handy dandy flute identifier, and let's look at what we're dealing with here. So E-flute would be your standard fluting. There, you know how you know? Because look, it's sticking right out of there. It means I got my little fluty flutes in there, and it is an E-flute. So E-flute is about 30% thinner than standard corrugate E-flute. And so that means that there's going to be more of these boxes that fit in a stack on a pallet. It also takes up a little bit less space in transit, and it's also a little bit lighter. Not much so, because the E-flute actually just speaks to its overall thickness and how many flutes per inch, but it still could involve the same amount of overall paper, which means it won't be much lighter on the board grade overall, but it will take up less space. Now, if you've ever folded something, you'll know that sometimes thin things fold better than thicker things. So that's another reason why you might go with a thinner grade of corrugate, because you've got a lot of tight folds like this box does, and you want to make sure those folds are crisp. I think we're ready to open this. I'm going to use my slicer. Now, they have chosen to use the actual shipping label to bond the box together and cover that opening. So I slice the shipping label in half, and boom. Is it cool? Is it cool? Woo! Okay, wow, there's a lot going on here. Because they have this box opening sort of like a book, although not exactly, because it opens and it's like you're seeing the binding. They have this really fun panel here on the inside to speak to me. It says, we're all in this together. We believe in making sustainability and powerful cleaning accessible to all. Convenience with a conscience. And this is Happy Washing, Jonathan Proper. So it's really fun that they're speaking directly to me. They also have actual instructions on the packaging. Tear up perforations to separate boxes. I'm not going to do that quite yet because I don't want to ruin the box here, but it's cool that these boxes actually tear off, and so I can tear these boxes off and actually store them in my cleaning cabinet or wherever I do my laundry or my dishes. This one says laundry and this one says laundry, so we ordered 2 laundries. Laundry, sensitive skin detergent pods. It gives me how to use, it gives me important information for best results. For more ingredient information, visit www.drops.com. So I can always go online for more information. They're making that really clear to me as well. Just want to pause and reflect on how neat this box construction is. What starts as one shippable box turns into 2 boxes I can separate and actually store in different places in my home. It's a really great way of reducing waste, and also a box this small, well, it could be shipped through the mail. It's so much more efficient to ship the 2 together and create one box out of them. The concept of dish and detergent pods has not been created for e-commerce, but I do think it's really cool to pause and reflect on the fact that pods would never be put in a package like this for a shelf. They would come in like those big plastic containers with those big cranky lids and stuff. And so just to really reflect on the fact that e-commerce is sometimes an awesome way to lead to overall packaging reduction. So much less packaging was actually used to use this product online than would be used to buy this product at a store. Now, I can tell that this piece of corrugate started Kraft on one side and there was this dark blue printing, which is beautiful, and then it's white on this side with the same dark blue printing. So let's open the actual pod compartment and see what's going on there. So when I open it, it's got a tab lock structure. There's a little bit more warning information here. And then I open it, and it's got a beautiful recycling symbol here. Please reuse, recycle, or compost this box. Hashtag every drops counts, which is a cute way of incorporating their branding, but also reminding me to recycle the box. And then here are my pods. These are like tiny liquid pillows. If this was big, I would put it in my bed. These are the things that go through my brain. It's a dark, weird, but clean place. Let's check what's on the other side, probably similar. Yes, identical messaging on the other side. This messaging is agnostic to whether they have the detergent for clothes or dishes in here. So this box is actually, suits both. If I close this back up, I want to show you a geeky detail. I want to highlight a little tiny detail here for you. I don't know if any of you are very familiar with tab locks on corrugate boxes, but sometimes they can be hard. If you don't have little tiny fingers that can go in and get the tab out, it can be very frustrating. This tab actually has a little tab on it. It's a tab on a tab to make it easy for my finger to go boop. That is so nice. All it requires is a U-shaped cutout on the tab. It looks almost like a shape of a staple. And when you fold the tab, there's a little thing that pops out, and that allows my finger just to get enough friction on the tab to pull it out. That is so simple and so elegant and really creates an experience for me that makes me feel like they thought about my finger. So let's say I got this at home and I'm ready to actually tear this off. I'm gonna do it. Okay. One thing I wanna note is how super easy that was. Again, so easy, and boom. Each box has 32 pods in it. I am holding 64 loads of laundry pods here in this compact size. Efficiency? I think yes. I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna just put the pods in my lap. Pod lap. Okay, and I'm gonna take the box apart so you can see the construction style. Now, this is a slightly different construction than a lot of boxes of this style. You can see here that one panel of the box flips out and fits exactly into the other panel. This is a really effective construction of a box. They may even be nesting other boxes into it. If you actually take the entire construction apart, remember that this is just one part of this box because we did do the tear strip perf, which was here, so it means the other part keeps going over here. But it's a slightly different construction style to make this tear strip component work, but really efficient use of corrugate. You know what time it is. Time for the recap. Drops. I love this packaging, but let me explain to you why. First of all, it's compact. 64 loads of laundry in this size. Second, it's clever. Opening like a book, being able to tear things away and recycle this component and be able to put this in my laundry room. It's really cleverly designed and well executed. And 3, it's plastic free. Now, that might just seem obvious. Yeah, it's a box with some pods in it, but this is a big deal. Think about your detergent. Think about all the different ways you could buy detergent or dish soap, etc., and how many of those options are completely plastic free. I'll wait for it. Not very many. This has been Drops Unboxed.